Other people ask us how we cook on Spirit. This is how Claudia cooks. And I'll show you what she makes me do in the meantime. So I'm sort of slowly preparing. Pull it out. And all I've got to do is point this, the vacuum tube here. Food goes in this end. It's already getting warm. It's unreal, this thing. And then the sun reflects off the aluminium and then onto the vacuum tube and makes a little solar oven, and you just point it at the sun, whatever angle the sun's at, and then you let it cook away. Now I've put Claudia's little cake mix into the silicone trays, and we're going to put them into the tray of the GoSun. And we put it in to the GoSun. That's it. The sun's actually a little bit high, so I'll just point it up. There you go, you match it sort of to the sun's angle. And we're going to open him up. Ooh. Not too bad. See, the ones at the far end normally cook quicker. It's normally hotter at the end of the tube. That's cool, it's going good. Sun's out. Got the butcher on racket roller over there. They're about to head off and go through sewers up to the med. It's a beautiful day here in GoSun. Wow. Little swabby.
Yeah, that's hot already.
Is it hot in there?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it is hot. Careful. This is not very tall. Do you want to bring me the other one?
Oh yeah?
The new one?
Yep.
Thank you.
There's 5 of them. Thermomix. This is another way that we cook on board. Thermomix is an electric cooker, do everything from what I understand. Runs on the inverter. Push the button, it turns on. So Chitty's cooking some soup, veggie soup, which will be our dinner. You can see the Thermomix's temperature of the soup at the moment is 95 degrees. It's stirring backwards, not so it doesn't cut it up. And 2.5 minutes to go. And you can see, just to show you, we're putting in power, but the Thermomix occasionally will draw, I think I've seen about 60 or 70 amps. You can see it pulsate there when it heats. It's been up to about 25. Now that the soup's hot, it's going to draw a lot less power. But it's midday. We're only running off 2 panels at the moment, and you can see the voltage is at 13.3. When the Thermomix does here, you can see it drop down to 12.8. When it draws that large amount of amperage, you get a small voltage drop to about 12.8 volts, which is pretty incredible really, considering it draws quite a big amperage. And we're at 93%, just under 94% of battery capacity. capacity. So works wonderfully. The Thermomix, the little inverter, 2000 watt inverter, the lithium batteries, 320 amp hours of batteries, 160 amp hour each battery, one battery, two batteries, and solar regulators. And now, thanks to our amazing Solbian solar panels, we're able to do this, thanks to the sun.